Alright guys, what's up? Sam here, Jocelyn behind the camera. Today, we're going to be tinting the Lexus. So we're using Tint, I don't know what brand, but it's Japanese, so it's good.
Gotta be.
And if you look over here, you know it's good because we've got a lot of stars. So that's
all reviews.
Yeah, that's how many stars it has out of 10. So it's pretty good.
I think I see like 42.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean,
Not bad.
half decent. And I'm hoping this is the percent tint. So I'm hoping we have 0% or 1% tint. Basically, I had the 20s on this car before, but I had to rip it off because I needed safety, and all the places who would pass me, they were closed. So I had to rip off the 20s. Now I have nothing, and bought this. And it came in with a palette of all the black parts and stuff like that from Japan. So I was gonna put it on my other GS, but that one is not here anymore. So it's good. We're putting on this one. So we got our soapy water here today, and squeegees.
Let's see what we got for a squeegee situation.
Professional.
Yeah.
I had my kit, but I don't know what happened to it, so we'll make do without it. Great thing about this one is supposedly it's supposed to be pre-cut. I'm not sure.
Oh, I see it. I see
it
it.
is. Oh.
Oh yes, boys.
Dude, this is. Oh my god.
No, dude. What is this? Dude, this is just black plastic.
Is this what they do in Japan?
This is just black plastic. Well, you can make the back windows as dark as you like, so maybe.
Oh, this is RQL brand. RQL right over there.
Oh man.
Oh god.
Oh lord.
Oh shit. Dude, I'm not gonna be able to drive at night if it's raining.
Honestly, you're not gonna be able to drive in direct sunlight.
It's so dark, dude.
Legitimate JDM spec, no front windows in at all.
Yeah.
Back doors, back.
Right, yeah, there's no front windows, so I'll have to go get those tinted separately. Looks good. I guess we'll start putting it on.
New discovery. That's not the brand, or unless. No, I don't see it.
No, dude, it's not the brand.
RDR, right door right door rear, and RQR, right quarter rear. So, this is the left side. We're gonna have to move, but yeah, we shine the light through here and can't see anything. It's 100% opaque. Is that the word?
It's a zero.
It's a zero.
Zero light passes through.
Let's get
Oh, that's terrible. Hawaii law for like cars, like sedans and stuff, is 35. So
It's 35 times more. Oh, zero. It's infinitely more legal.
dude, we should be fine. I mean, it's pretty close.
Yeah, I mean. Oh, and now it's a mirror. We should look at that. All right. We're gonna put one of these on, and get back to you guys.
Well, we'll get started on it.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's just, let me get it a little closer. Fall asleep to that.
All right. It's pretty clean. And then
Nice seats, bro.
we'll just peel it off. Oh, beautiful.
You're beautiful.
And then you want it to stick to itself on the other side. That's key. And then you want to spray it down, which should have been done as you were peeling it off.
But you know, it's excited sometimes.
Yeah. And we put the soapy water on it so that even though the adhesive is on that side, we can still place it on and still move it around the window.
How does the cut look?
And stick.
Oh, it's perfect.
Looks pretty good.
Not bad, eh?
Wow. Oh, this is nice and transparent. Wow.
Wait a minute. Hold on. All right, so we have the light.
Wow. Kind of bright.
Very. And
Oh, dude, it's right here.
yeah, can't see anything. So, and just
Oh, right here, so you can see it. Right in the crack.
oh, because that's not where the tint
And
is.
then, oh,
just to confirm the light is on.
dude, that's not. Oh, that's too dark. All right, looks good. Let's continue.
Perfect.
So we got a lot of bubbles over here, so we need to push it out. That's what we'll use our patent squeegees for.
Yep, patent pending. We're waiting for a trademark rights for it. What have you?
M Life. Sapphire.
Nothing but the best. Peep the method.
Yep.
You want to follow that fold exactly.
Because I was intending to look through the tint, but can't see anything in this tint, so
Tint.
yeah, we'll just clean the outside too.
But did you get it from Kruber?
I got mine from Kruber. This was 1,000 yen. So
Roughly $10, depending on the exchange rate.
at that point, the exchange rate was like 114.
Ooh. That is satisfying. Shameless plug if anybody wants their windows tinted. You know.
No. I'm not doing that.
Provide your tint and make sure all your doors are prepared.
Update.
I didn't know I was going to be on this side of the camera, but we did the back side. There's no front tint at all, so everything but the rear glass, the tint that came in the package, is on the car. That makes sense. Yeah, so it looks it's pretty VIP, I'd have to say.
Damn.
You definitely gotta see it from the inside though. From the inside looking out. Let me close the other door. Looks pretty. And then with the back covered up, it's gonna be.
Oh no.
It's gonna be like you're in the trunk, I think. Besides the light coming in from the front, but.
Oh, okay. We're going 0 to 1 all around.
Windshield 2.
Windshield 2.
Well, you gotta cut out a little one for the rear. That'll be sick. Did you see that other razor blade? I think it's on this side.
Oh yeah.
Almost got murdered.
Yeah, almost sat on it.
Oh, look, it's daytime.
Oh, it's day? Oh, wow. Nice. I didn't know that.
All right. Kind of dreading this back window. We're just stalling. Let's just get it done.
The rear window is in 3 pieces. Here is the first one. It's gonna go on the top. And then we got another roll for the bottom 2. It's really wide, so instead of getting 1 giant piece, we're just doing 3. I guess it came like that. And hopefully it turns out good.
Guarantee you can't see anything, but we're currently sitting in the back. We did the whole back area. It was pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. Did a good job, Samson.
Thank you. There we go. Oh, I didn't know we were in a car. It's literally opaque.
This is JDM Tint. That's all we got. Solid wrench there. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's no flash for video.
Where's Justin? Very original.
Alright guys, we just finished the tint job. We'll turn this around and show you how it looks. Okay, so this is it.
Looking good.
Looks good. If you can see right over there, we have our little work light.
It's a pretty bright light.
And you still see the light?
Shine a little light on
Oh,
there.
there it is.
Complete black. Complete blackness.
Sweet. Same side. 0 to 1%. Never seen that before. Jesus. Looks like I'm gonna have to rip it off soon. We'll see.
Looks like we might learn something.
Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe learned something, found it funny. We'll try to post some pictures on our Instagram. If you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, go ahead and do that. BrokeWrenchin808.com. You can find the link in the description as well.
Oh, website.
Oh, .com. Broke Wrenchin 808.
Instagram, YouTube. YouTube's just Broke Wrenchin.
You hit that little notification button, and that'll give you notifications when we upload. Hopefully every week. We're gonna try to get that done.
Yep. Comment. Leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Any tips, tricks. You can help us out too.
Let us know what we should do next. Justin's got his new. Ooh, should we say it?
Oh, yeah.
No. I think we'll leave it for another video.
Yeah. We'll give it its own proper video.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later.
Shoot.